interview our winning coach, Coach Leo Austria. Congratulations. Coach, from the start, you were in control of the game, showed complete dominance, but even in your huddles, your timeouts in the fourth quarter, kung saan malaki na nga yung kalamangan nyo, Coach, you're still very passionate, a lot of instructions. Why is it important for you, Coach, na yung disiplina, you carry it until the final buzzer?
Yeah, that's how passionate I am when it comes to basketball. Even though you're leading or you're losing, so I want them to do what we're supposed to do. And we're so lucky tonight because we have a good start. And then, if you can see it, naman, nasabi ni CJ, at the start, meron siyang 4 points agad. And then nasundan pa ni Rosales. And imagine this, these three players, Perez, Jericho Cruz, Celedonio Trollano, guys, they're averaging 18 minutes, but their average point is 20. Okay, and I'm so happy with them because lahat sila pumutok tonight. And then we have parang happy time dito sa basketball na ito. And then nakikita naman natin mga players and even Junmar. So he's not looking to score anymore. He's looking to assist. Maybe napansin niya, malapit na siya mag-triple-double. Yan, nakuha niya yung triple-double. And it's another record for him. But overall, it's a team effort especially yung bench namin. If you notice, talagang tambak yung first group namin sa second group 107 points versus 51. That's 60%, 66% ang output namin galing sa bench. And then makikita mo naman during the playoffs talagang inaasahan ko yung bench And then this is what happened tonight.